Have you ever wondered what an atom really looks like? Scientists have now captured the clearest image of atoms ever recorded, pushing the limits of imaging technology to a whole new level. What you're looking at is the atomic structure of praseodymium orthoscandate at an astonishing magnification of 100 million times. Each glowing dot represents an individual atom, revealing the arrangement of matter at an unprecedented level of detail. At first glance, the image may seem slightly blurred, but this isn't a flaw. Atoms are never truly still. They constantly vibrate due to thermal motion. This natural movement creates a slight blur, even at the highest resolution possible. Capturing this image required cutting-edge technology known as ptychography. This method uses an electron beam and advanced algorithms to reconstruct atomic structures with extreme precision. Scientists say this technique has reached its ultimate resolution limit, meaning we may never see atoms more clearly than this. The bright paired dots represent praseodymium atoms. The single bright dots are scandium atoms, and the faint red spots are oxygen atoms. This is a perfectly structured crystal, visualized like never before. This breakthrough has vast implications for material science, nanotechnology, and even quantum computing. By understanding atomic structures at this level, researchers can develop stronger materials, faster electronics, and more efficient energy systems. If you found this discovery fascinating, make sure to subscribe for more updates on groundbreaking science. Stay curious and see you in the next video.